Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 EMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software. Then after that, go to Insert. Then choose Indicator. Then go to Trends and go to Moving Average. Click on it. Then in Parameters, go to period and type 50. After that, on method, make sure you are in exponential. Most likely you will find it here on simple. So choose exponential. Then you can choose color if you want. So let's say this one, for example, navy. And here you can change the thickness of the line. So let's say this one and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our EMA 50. I think the color isn't good, but I think that you get the idea. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.